Yeah, so there are some fun products coming out on the market for people who don't want them on the roof, or they don't like the look, or the HOA blocks them. So we have a product that's a solar gazebo, and it's a very nice looking gazebo that you can put in your backyard, on your back porch, put on a concrete pad or whatever you want to do. And the solar panels on that are actually solar tiles, so they don't even look like solar panels. It looks like a very sleek tile roof. In terms of how much do they power, again, it really comes down to every home is a little different. How much energy does your home need? You've got to ask that question before you can say, well, this will provide its needs, you know. In most cases, at least with the gazebos that we sell, they're pretty small solar PV systems, and so in most cases, they're not going to power or they're not going to take care of all of your home's needs. That doesn't mean you'll be without power. It just means that what that doesn't supply you, you'll get from the grid, the excess you'll get from the grid. So you're not going to be without power. It's just going to only create a portion of the power that you actually consume. But for smaller homes or very energy efficient homes, in some cases it might do the whole job. You know, it really just depends. There are other options as well. They do look like solar panels. They are solar panels on there, but they've made the frames in a way that makes them a little more waterproof and that kind of thing. So you can build carports and that kind of thing with those. And they look good, and they've absolutely got a place. With those kinds of things, you can, there's one product in particular I'm thinking of that you can scale pretty large. You can go, every bit as large as you would do on a regular home. So in that case, yeah, it could probably power most homes' complete energy needs. But no, those are definitely good options. Like I say, especially when somebody is very reluctant to put them on their roof, or if an HOA blocks them, those are some good backup options as well.